Right then guys, it's a quick video on how to lower these 1/18 scale Lamodz Porsche GT3s. Let's go through the stages step by step with you guys. Hope it helps. You can see the standard ride height here looks rubbish. We're going to drop it so it looks something like this, yeah, more meaner and a better stance. This should be modified soon into a wide body GT3, but stay with me for this video. My first YouTube video guys, so help me out on this one. If you can't hear me clearly, please forgive me. So we start off by removing the bottom base screws. You have one here, 1, 2, 3 in total, and I believe there's 2 more on the sides here as well. They are just Phillips screws. Yep, so them two need to come out there as well. And it's as simple as that. This comes away so simply. I'm gonna lose these screws. Right, at the base here. Find the screw. Right, now to lower this, pretty simple. It's gonna detach the seats. There's 2 screws from here, and that should come away, revealing the springs behind. So take them out. There we go, simple as that. Now you got the springs here. All we need to do is remove them out of the way, and for the rear axle there's 2 screws here as well. Oops, yeah, this is held down a bit, but again, removing 2 springs, putting it all back together again. There we have it. Should lower the height down now. Okay, so the springs have been taken out from the back and the front, and now we can put the seats back in place at the base. What they are, these Lamodz brand, whatever it's called, are really kind of good for a cheap brand, I think, and easy to work with and easy for a beginner to modify. There, should sit lower now. Yep, there we go. You see the wheels through the roll, it's nice and low. Now I'll put it back on the body. Let's see what it looks like. Also, when you put it on, I'm going to see it here, with the steering wheel rack needs to sit in between 2 forks and the steering rack. You can see in the video right there what I'm pointing at there, so you need to sit there in order for the wheels to still steer. There we have it. And then let's put the screws back in order again. Now obviously different models are lowered in different ways, but this is the most easiest way. Just pull the springs out and give it a nice drop. Give it like an aired out look, sort of look I like on a car, stanced. And there we have it, guys. Look at the drop on that now. Yep, look at that, nice and aired out. Obviously it doesn't roll as much as what it used to before, but then again, these are shelf queens. You're not going to play with them like a kid. Not a toy, it's a model. So if you want to display it well, look at that. Hell of a difference. Understands that look. And the good thing is the wheels still steer as well, so you can pose them how you want it. So it looks to my diorama. See if I flip this camera around. Well, can't flip it anyway, but as you can see there, it looks awesome. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll be putting some more videos out hopefully soon on how-tos. Thank you very much from Lamodz 118 Customs. Thank you. Bye bye.